Hey, this is yet another lecture about building candlestick charts with bokeh. And at this point we have this candlestick chart, and in this lecture what I'll do is I'll change the colors of these boxes, and we have green and red there. I'll show you how to pass color codes, so CSS color codes there, so you can have a wide range of choices for the colors. And then we'll make this chart responsive, so when you minimize the window and you resize it, the chart is always there, so you see all the plot elements. And then we'll try some more data. So here we have 10 days, and we'll try with some more months, so we get a better overview of the plot. So to get color codes for this fill color parameter, you can make a simple search, CSS colors there, and if you open W3 Schools website and you scroll down, so let's find something for green, something lighter there. This one looks good, so you paste that here. But you also need to put the hashtag, and now something to replace the red color. Probably that. And let's see what we get. So this looks probably better. Now to make this chart responsive, you want to pass the responsive parameter to the figure object. So responsive equals to true. So now if you play around with this window, you can see that the chart adjusts with the window size. So that's good. And let's see how it works with more data. So let's start from 2015 and maybe November. Yeah. So you executed this and you get the new data frame. Now you need to be careful there, because here you have the old data frame, so you need to execute this cell too, and the other one as well. So the updated data frame with the 3 columns added there. And now execute the actual code for the bokeh plot. Yeah, here is a good overview of the stock market data from November to March. We have quite a decline here, and then steady. Anyway, let's do some housekeeping. Out, remove this and escape, Shift J, select the other cell, Shift M to merge them, and then maybe remove this line, another Shift J to merge these two. So we have the entire code in one single cell. Now you can just change these start and end times here and execute the entire code in one press of a button. Just like that. And so we've got the candlestick chart, and that's what I wanted to teach you in this lecture. And now throughout the next lectures, what we'll be doing is we will embed this chart into a Flask application. So inside a web page which is run with Flask. So that will be quite interesting. And I'll see you in the next lecture.